What did you ask him at the end of the demo?
At the end of the demo, well, I didn't ask any questions. When he saw the website and the plan to have traffic come through that website, he was more than excited.
Okay, so when you felt that he was excited, what did you say?
I told him to take his time and look through everything, and then I scheduled the next step. I scheduled the next call, which was 3 days later. And then I tried reaching out. He didn't take the call. He gave a call back saying that yes, he's really interested in moving further. That he will try to give me a call back. He's about to step into a meeting. Can you give me a call back? I said, sure. He got the mobile, he got my email, and that was 3 days ago. But since then, there's been nothing. Now, I'm in between reaching out, in between calling him. I don't want to mess this up. We haven't gotten this far before, and thanks to your guidance, we're here. So just
totally. Don't worry about messing it up. Don't worry about messing it up because you're getting good. There's going to be a lot more of these. It's already kind of messed up. And I'm not saying anything bad about you. It just is what it is, right? Like you just threw the ball. You wanted to get a first down in football. I don't know what sports you're into, but let's just say, right, Omaha, and I see Demaryius Thomas is open up. I'm going to throw the ball to DT. We just got the first down, and DT is now going to pitch the ball back to me. That's what you just did. You just got all this way forward, and then you pitched the ball back to yourself and are like, well, here's what you have to realize. Even though you believe that your business is complicated, you need to be elegant. And here's what I mean by elegant. You can look up the definition of the word. You need to be so elegant that you're able to take this complex offering of giving them a new website for their business and elegantly present it, which is why I would probably try to close even before the demo, but we can discuss that for another day. Let's just say you are going to demo. At the end of it, don't say, and the next step is another meeting, another demo. Say, does it make sense for us to build the website for you? Ask the question. This is why there are so many people that have great relationships with one other person trying to take it to the next level where they might start dating or get married, and they're locked in a friend zone because they never ask the freaking question. Just ask the question, does it make sense for us to do the website for you? You're probably going to find that person's going to say yes. You're going to say, congratulations, what happens next? I'll shoot you over the scope of work and the agreement, have that over to you within the hour. Start selling deals. You're so scared to cross over. If you say, does it make sense for us to build the website? And they say no, then you say, what's a good next step? And ask them. But most of us, all of us, have done this at least once, if not on a regular basis. We get in our own way of the sale. And the person, he probably would have said yes to you at the end of that other demo. You're just making it too hard for him now. He doesn't want to have any more meetings. So
Matt, I'm so sorry to interrupt you. But
no, you're good.
Communicate this properly. Now, we already made him a website. We sent him everything to take a good look at it, just email as requested. And then I did a follow-up call on that he scheduled. And I called saying, as promised, told you it was going to get a call today. Have you gone to the website? And he said, it is fantastic. Like he had nothing but amazing stuff to say about everything we had sent over to him.
Okay.
Now, he said he's interested in making the payments. We sent him different packages and how to get subscribed to all those. That's the point.
Did you ask him to subscribe?
Well, he requested for a subscription package.
That's a problem. If we're waiting for him to request it, we're late. They should never have to request it. You should say, does it make sense for us to move forward and get this thing loaded in real time? Hey, do you like the website? Yes. Does it match everything you needed? Yes. Did we miss anything? No. Cool. Does it make sense for us to go live with this? Yes. Perfect. Congratulations. You made a great decision. I'm going to send you over a DocuSign with the authorization for payment. Be able to go live in 3 days. Welcome aboard. Right? Mission getting you guys from 13 million in top sales to 20 million. Can't wait to be working with you full time. It sounds like you guys are doing a lot of stuff for free, by the way, too. Like, I don't know if you should be making websites for them to see. Like, you don't need to do all of that to get a sale. What you need to get a sale is understand their business, understand where it's at right now, where it wants to go, and be able to clearly communicate how a new website will get them there, and then say, does it make sense for me to build a new website? I almost think you guys building a prototype of the website for them is doing yourself a disservice, right? That's like me giving you free access to all of eastonuniversity.com and then saying, hey, do you want to pay for it? But you have to get in the habit of take the closing course one more time. You have to go for that close. And the close is not closing them on another meeting. The close is not closing them on another conversation. The close is closing them on paying you for the website, right? However you want to say that. And you have to get very comfortable asking that very uncomfortable question, because you are in business for business and you need to get paid. You don't get paid for meetings and demos. So you just work on asking that a little bit more. And you're going to find they're going to say yes. But the more we drag them through unnecessary meetings, the more they'll just ghost us. And then what's going to happen is they're going to get some aggressive person that's going to call them is like, I can have a website up in 2 days. They're going to send them your mock-up and go, can you do this? And they go, yeah, absolutely. 25,000. They're going to go, cool, send me a thing. Could you take PayPal? Yeah, there you go. Problem solved. Like, he's got 900 other problems going on with his business. He probably just doesn't want to have any more conversations about it. If he does, he'll tell you. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm about to give you my closing mini masterclass absolutely free for you. Click the link here and I'm going to cover the $300. You're going to know how to close. Life is about to get a lot easier for you. No strings, no catches. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass for free right here, right now. I'll see you on the other side.